Absolutely.
And so,
Absolutely.
like you, I've always had an affinity with nature, and I was taken off into London for 20, 25 years or whatever. But it feels like a homecoming when you go back to nature. And I think that's why it can be emotional for people. Because you do meet yourself.
I often find it quite an interesting thought that lots of people, when they sort of reach retirement age, tend to move to the country. It's almost like there's that space in their life then, a regrouping and regathering, and they're drawn to places that are quieter, that are less busy, that are more natural. Away from the hustle and bustle that sort of tends to overwhelm us and heighten our nervous systems. So yes, it is an interesting sort of natural practice that people do.